All right. Blessed again. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I love the fact that you guys are showing us support by subscribing, by sharing the content, and by telling a friend to tell a friend. We really appreciate that. We also want to let you guys know that you can contribute if you want to, because we are doing some amazing work, especially now that we're in our new location. We just try to just keep things afloat and keep things going. And things has been going good so far. So thank you guys. And remember, link me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. Big up.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films. Hey, finish line. I know what you do. You better quit the sister, tell the people all the things that's not true. Yeah, finish line. I know the things that you do. Soon we're gonna do some crazy things to you. Yeah. You love the champ, soon box it down. Finish line. You better quit what you do. Oh, Paradise Nation, yes, Richard Brown Films. Yeah, you know how to make this a public report. Yeah, finish line. Finish line. You better quit what you do. If you don't stop the mix up, then go box it down. Yeah. Finish line. Come on, Paradise Nation. I know what you do. Richard Brown Films. Public report. Once again.
Sister Nablet, before we start, it's me who live here, and it's you who live over there. And I always find it joyful for us to have a one-on-one prayer meeting like this. We should do it more often.
Don't get it twisted now, but we should have, because Jesus in our soul.
It's not Jesus alone should be in your soul, But anyways, Sister Nablet, it would be a lot cheaper if you move over with me, and we can actually get married now. Because I'm saying we can't really do nothing until we're married. We can actually get married and we can, it would be cheaper. You move over and you don't have a husband.
Come. And if you don't want to do this, I will go over my house and I will do it myself.
All right, come
I am okay.
I mean, Sister Nablet, listen, I'm eating salt, so therefore I just find you attractive. All right, let us
eat salt.
All right, let us pray.
Come, we starting off with Psalm 140.
Mm-hmm.
Deliver me, O Lord, from the evil man. Preserve me from the violent man, which imagine mischief in their heart. Continually are they gathered together for war. They have sharpened their tongues like a serpent, and there is poison under their lips. Keep me, Lord, O Lord, from the hands of the wicked. Preserve me from the violent man who have purpose to overthrow my goings. So we're going to stop there tonight.
See, I want to be on your purpose,
So yes, that is it for the night. So we'll go into our prayer now. Come, let's hold hands.
We have a little reverence.
Yes.
I like these hands, Sister Nablet.
No, man.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it, man.
Yes, Sister.
Have reverence to God now.
Yeah, man, yes.
Most holy, righteous God, eternal Father, I thank you for this night. I pray that you send your angel to encamp around this household, Father, and guide us, guide our church sisters, guide the homeless on the road. Give them health and strength and long life and prosperity to have a home, Father. Just guide us here tonight, protect us. In your name I pray, amen.
Amen. Boy, Sister Nablet, that was a very beautiful prayer. We should do this should even know you brighten up my soul.
Yes, man, it is good sometimes to pray. So, you just like a police puss, so where you go?
Well, Sister Noblet, them say the angel won't visit you if you sleep naked, you know, and I am trying to ensure so make me look properly dressed when them come to visit me, because I need little blessings, you know? So I have to well dress.
Okay then. Anyways, I have to go to my bed now.
Alright, and remember, don't sleep naked, you know, because the angel won't visit you, you see? Oh, Jesus, Sister Noblet. Yes, Sister Blair. I'm here waiting on you. Alright, listen. Just wear something sexy here. Something nice and sexy. Alright. Sister Novet is gone to bed, so just hurry up and come. I here waiting on you. Alright.
Reach.
Listen. Make sure you don't make a sound. Take off your slippers when I go inside here. Go upstairs here. Hello, lovely.
Lord, at what time? Jesus. Hello, Pastor? Good morning. Yeah, I'm coming to church, but I just woke up, you know. Just woke up, I'm tired. I know Sunday school is 9 o'clock. I'm gonna get ready, I'm coming. Couple minutes. Church. Church. You know, see time.
Give me one early piece.
Cha. Want me slippers? Jesus, come let me out.
Oh, shit. Jump on this. this blasted man on top parking car me gate. Then Sister Navlet is what make the pastor stop you in the middle of your singing. Eh?
And you sounded so lovely.
Yes, because when I lit the high pitch and go,
I felt
nobody
the
could
spirit.
tell me say me not sound good because me feel every ear and my body turn up.
I felt the spirit, man. I felt the
Listen
spirit.
to me,
That
man,
rock
Miss
song.
Navlet. You know, say the pastor not like you. I'm telling you why he not like you. Because the big forehead girl in front, was sitting in front of him, Sister Blair, the big forehead one. Him and the pastor there.
What you saying?
Him and the pastor there. That's why him can the up so in a front seat.
Oh, that's why he stopped me and tell me about tell us say, listen to the words, guys, not the singing.
Oh, you know that.
But when she singing and she sound way worse than me, she never behaving like that. But we just a confront her better than this man.
Then my God, you know see the lady offering my brother Bruce through $100. Eh? Oh, your fist a ring for you $100 in a one church and your own supermarket.
Stop it, man. Village life, stop it. You just a come from church. No do you know nothing at all for me.
Then Sister Namblet is why you be yourself. You know me not tell her, you know, anything me chat so you go. So you no bother with it.
Cause everybody come out and she's still in the church doing what? The church lock up and she says she will walk through the back.
Shit, she around
What
there,
kind of
shit.
No man,
I suspect she
no
do.
bathroom.
She
come out of the church.
She come out.
I'm here to tell you the church service today amazing.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I feel the spirit.
How they do, Miss Blair, how are you?
Good afternoon.
You alright? You know, we were just saying how lovely your dress is.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, you stand out more than everybody in the church today.
Thank you, brother. So guys, you know I'm not staying too long, so I'm gonna head out. See you guys at the prayer meeting in the week.
Oh yes, and I forgot to tell you, the tired. I have some lovely tired that come down to give it a change of the flavor.
Okay.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, that red dress looks so hideous. Eh? You not tired? Every Sunday we wear the one red dress.
Me now go join really up on this year one, you know.
You're talking about the little deliverance, you know.
But anyways, let them taxi I take too long, you know. They go walk. Make me walk now.
No, I have my fear. I will wait. Can I manage walking? Go.
Alright, Sister Nablet, so you behave.
I have my money and my fear, man. Walk.
Marjorie, I'll see you, see?
All right.
How do you do, sir?
How you do, sir?
Serve. Serve. Give me a little chaser there. Give me a little chaser. You have to go to church, you know, sir. But if your mother home, I don't see you go to church again. If I need Chris new, I don't see you go to church again. What make?
Go to church, man.
This is what church do.
Church I don't know.
Listen to me, sir. You must, if you don't go now, when they done with you, you gotta go. Church no do nobody nothing, don't fi go. I mind my own business. Bartender, where chaser there?
Right there, hand this.
Take that shot after this, so you and your little drink bang, burn them down in here. Jesus is my deliverer.
Brother Village Lawyer, how are you today?
Sister Candy,
Hi.
is how you do?
You know, me not so good, me thirsty, this one hot. Hello, serve!
Hey, oh, I don't see your church.
Nobody's not in there?
This service there, you see her.
Okay, aye. Can you give me a cream soda or a cola champagne, please?
But anyways, oh, I don't see your church. This is where you turn back.
Come back over here, sir. You know, some like going to church people. Because I'm
What do
just...
you mean? Oh no, you're part of the system.
I am part of the system, but when I have my own business to do, I need to take care of it. Why you in my business like that? I'm not asking anything about you and your wife.
Listen to me, I'm not in
Cream
the
soda, please.
Don't
Thank
bring
you.
my wife into this.
You have any cola champagne? What is wrong with you, sir?
Don't bring my wife into this.
Pineapple banana.
No, I don't drink those. You don't have any natural juice?
It's me just there, I say a long time I don't see you come to church, so I do that one and never in your business. Your life is an open book. Everybody come in and see what I go on.
I went on a mission.
Which one of the mission them now?
You're still in my business. Open up the Bible and search it. Don't search me. I'm not a book. You have any juice?
You're not answer to me,
No,
but
I
you
don't drink
answer
that
to
one.
God.
Sorry.
Orange juice?
Yes, orange juice, please, and thanks.
You're not answer to me, but you answer to God.
He's the one I'm supposed to answer to, not you.
Then is why you be so fiery, sister. Candy.
Oh, you can keep the change. What?
Okay,
It's
thank
not
you.
really easy to be so fiery, man, but listen. I have something to pinch you and tell you. You should have come to church today. One piece or something.
And what, then when they give the offering, how they fuck with it?
Listen to me now. Sister Blair come to church in a one dress. One red dress. Look so hideous. And he's so up front or enough because guess what? You know, say money pastor, my pastor side piece, right? Yes. Thinking High Street. She come in at the one hideous dress and the tie head when Maria from couple moons back, him have that one tie head in my rear. And the one brother Bruce to us in one supermarket only give $100 offering. Eh? And me go down there, me just give them 5 bills. I mean, I don't know, a roadside, me a higgler. Eh? Only out of that. Another thing that I get, you know. Sister Navlet, me have to laugh. Sister Navlet, go up at the public or enough. You know, if I big and if I, enough and time. Go up there about him and sing. And then before he starts singing, hear him now? Listen to the words, don't listen to the voice. Like, oh, you don't hear the words. If you don't listen to the voice. Eh?
You don't
then
know?
go up there. I sing, in pastor, take him down. Take him down. I crow. Mr. I want to laugh, but through me do all in thin skin and that.
Brother Village Liar, you know the reason why I don't come to church this Sunday and it seems like I'm not coming back? The people them in the church mind people business too much. Everything them know. They know people business from left to right and feed them business as well. I go to church to change my life, as I said before, and I'm not coming back to that church because if I wear a wig, go to church, them watch it. If my shoes lean, them watch it. And if my dress tear, them watch it. Why them not just donate to the people them who do not have it, more and sit down and they gossip? They are all set of hypocrites. Anyway, Brother Village Lawyer, I need to leave now. I forgot my drinks. What was you going to say something? What were you going to say?
Thank God I'm not one of those people you refer to just now. I'm a man of truth. And listen, let me tell you, don't tell nobody, so me tell you that, Just keep it between me and you. Here?
I am not you, sir.
The pastor is going in a bag of things down at the church. But me tell you about it. Me tell you about it.
Lord of mercy.
Shopkeeper, look on yourself and see me read it to me. I say, and serve me another drink there. Mighty God in breath. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer.
Dirty Village Liar. Hey, tap.
Listen to me. It's who you are rank with. Who you dirty village liar.
Make a tip up it. You know, make a put on the phone here. Come here tonight, yeah. Why little chicken money where you promised me there?
Listen to me, Dennis, me sleep last night. Eh? Don't rank with me, you know, girl.
Why little chicken money you promised me for a whole long when? You promised me the money from before Wappy kill Philip and Wappy don't kill Philip and him bury and long time.
So, is why you they run me down for that the little money that I promise you and the MP man what you there with for promise you almost something from when I ain't get it.
Look, no do that. Don't bring up that. Remember, say the big old married man, he have a wife. You have a chat out to make everybody know say me a MP something.
Then if you the rank with me, what you expect me to do?
Tap, man, tap.
You know what? I'm not bother gear nothing.
No, sorry, Mr. Village Lawyer, sir. Sorry. I saw me stay when my heart a race. Sorry, no man.
You look like you want something to cultivate. I can cultivate it for you, you know.
Take time talk, no man. You give me money or what?
I don't have it on me now.
What do you give me?
As soon as me get some money from England, the money for come in from England from when, and I don't know why. And my granny dead, you know.
You keep on a promise me. No, I promise that comfort to a fool. Me might be an idiot, but me is not a fool, sir. And I want it right now. Right now, sir.
Marjorie, listen to me, Marjorie. I gotta see if me can try to get it from somebody to borrow, you see? Because nothing go on, as me say, the money if come from England from when. And it's not like me no want gain it because me know say in order for me to come and see you, I have to have money. And in order for you to give me fellowship, I have to also have money too. So give me some time, let I go get the money and come back and you just cultivate your hand because I don't like it bushy.
Alright. Go on.
Just do what me say for do, you see? What a mighty God. Miss Candy.
How are you going now?
You even want to know? I have something for pinch and tell you. Come on, let me pinch and tell you.
Now, what kind of blender you try to put me in now?
You know, say, the one Rosie man come today. But this morning Rosie did have a man over there.
I lie.
Think in the street.
You mean the Rosie when me know?
How much knows Rosie you know?
One Rosie and my friend.
Listen, I'm a man of truth. You ever know of me telling any lie?
No, sir.
Think in the street, the man there find how long working money come here come give him, and all she do is have a name that and a little young boy down the lane, Jing Bang Lee, down the lane a come in her stall at night time. For a big woman, or you out order?
No, sir. I really saw Rosie did stay.
But anyway, I have a little emergency where I just come to see if I can borrow a little money from you, you see? You know, I'll promise I'll give it to you. Give it back to you. You can't help me out, man. Me a friend long time.
Boy, Village Aya, I'm going to say one thing to you. You know, say $5,000 me have. And me no know when my light bill go due.
Listen to me. By
Me
the time
tired. Just let me tell you something, no, man. I just one money me have. Me all hungry and don't use it. One money, $5,000 me have. Cause me no know when my light bill due. Because me tired to go to post office fee bill. You know what me I go do? Go down to JPS office and make them start sending it to my phone. Cause me no know when it due, but me will trust you and lend you the $5,000 me have. I hope you give me back on due time, you know.
Listen to me,
Cause me no want them cut off my light.
Miss Candy, come on, man. Listen to me, man. Look, you look like a somebody would borrow people things and give them it back. Eh? You're gonna get it back.
Anyway, nobody go so far. See it here, because I trust you as a friend. But remember, say, I want money me have.
Listen to me.
And I want it back.
God bless you, see? This money, you're gonna get it back.
Okay.
Miss Candy?
Yeah, me trust you feeling you.
Listen, on another thing. The one Pearly. You know what I want?
What happened again?
Pearly, man, I beat her last night. Thinking I street.
Really? Then imagine me living at this community here as the president for the village. And me no know so much sitting and going in here.
Yes, thinking I street, but then away you there. Eh? Mighty God, but anyways, I they come go, you see?
Why you know the mix up them, sir?
Thank you again.
Alright.
Thank you again. What? Listen, not tell nobody, so me tell you, you know.
No, say man.
Keep my name out of it.
Don't tell nobody TV, alright.
Marjorie! Marjorie!
Is all that come? Hello, Mr. Village Liar, sir. No, don't bother coming, sir. Don't bother coming.
Listen.
I can't make nobody hear you coming inside.
I come from around the road and I see a little mix up, you see?
Mm-hmm. What kind of mix up? What happened?
Let I pinch you and tell you something. Miss Bev Stephenson, take him stepfather card. Gone show off with girl. Spend half a month off an ATM card.
You lie.
I beat Mr. them around there, I beat him.
You should have bust him ass. Anyways, you come with the money?
Oh, sorry, pardon me. Let's make this quick because I have some other business to attend to. So I don't want to stay too long. Come on.
No. I can't do anything with you right now. I'm on my monthly.
What do you mean you're on a month? I thought you passed me for a long time. What you talk?
No. I'm still young, fresh and fertile. What is wrong with you?
Then Margie, you mean to tell me say me need me I go walk girl all the way around here, so and you just like you never tell me that before me pass. Eh?
So me see it now. So give me the little money now. The chicken them want the little feed me, you know.
It's because me like you, you know.
You can come for one next time. Me will call you and tell you when it's done, so
It's
you can come.
It's when it start.
You don't need to know that man. Go on, no.
Then if me don't know when it start, or me don't know when it done.
See the MP there come. Go on, no.
See if him can give a decent and stop make him care growing at the place when the water come and shine it. You look better than could grow on there.
Go on, no, man. I know everything good for talk, you know, Mr. Vlaya, sir. Sure. Not everybody know me look at this. And this can't even.
Yeah, afternoon, Miss Candy.
Afternoon.
Yeah, man, me did come for disconnect the light, you know.
As so fast the due date come? Me not just pay last month. Me can't believe it, you know, so me not have no money right now.
I can understand say time look like you run fast, but through the month them I cut sharp, it just look like say boy time run fast, but I due date and they send me if you come cut off so me have to cut you off.
So you can do something for me. Do a thing for me, man, because you know me long time. God know me can't take it eat. You see, anytime the light gone, the heat a kill me, mosquito a kill me. Can you imagine when I cut off, you just do something for me, please, me I beg you. You can get a thing.
Well, since you asked if me can do a thing for you, you have to do something for me too. So me just take a small money and when you have the money, you just go pay.
When me did I say if you do a thing for me, you know, me no mean say me will give you no money, you know, because me tell you say me not have done. That's why the due date pass and me not even realize. But me just ask if you can just, nobody cut off you. Make it stay. Because me lend somebody want money and I true they not give me back on due time. So you see, as soon as me get it, me I go make sure say me pay it. I swear.
Well, normally me not really do anything, you know. It's either you have to pay me cut you off or you run the money. But like I know, you know yourself. Make sure say a morning early you go start out it. Else me have to cut off you next time. Alright? Alright then. So later.
Alright then, thanks here.
Yep.
Boy, out of so dusty, man. I think God, the government, them pave the road, them couldn't even just carry some of my pavement, come over here, so. Or them left it right there, so, before them carrying some. Eh? Out of dusty, man. I'm a good them there.
Well, not my fault, that, you know. You have to talk to the government.
Listen.
It's not my fault. The only thing we can do is just get it done.
The one Stacy she. Between me and you know.
Yeah, man.
Is somebody a thief for goods them not gonna try to get her, you know. That's why she can't sell the goods them so cheap out here.
Then how you know that?
Thinking high street.
Yeah, man, they want think, man. I'm not responsible for that. My business me I deal with. So you can go on. Me I go and deal with my thing right there, so.
You are the next one too. Stay there, don't stop go buy money at the night time, you see? That same man they go and chop off your neck when I dare them.
You go on, man, because you're an informer, you know.
Anyways, nobody call me name, you see?
Brother, I'm not responsible for you. Think me an informer. You are do your thing, you know, brother. You are say what you say, I'm not responsible for you.
You go on, the man, go and catch up with you, man. Jesus!
Village liar. You didn't see me and call your phone.
Listen to me, I don't have my phone on me.
What do you mean you don't have your phone for you?
I don't have my phone on me, man.
Look how you come to me and ask me for lend you the money.
Then it's
And me tell us to me who?
Take time to...
Let me go. Let me go. Me tell us the last $5,000 me have and you come borrow it from me. Me tell us to pay me JPS bill and I know you not give me back.
She's crazy, people. She's crazy.
Oi, JPS man come on me yard almost cut off me light and me have to beg him. I play and I beg him like him and me man. Me want me $5,000 from you.
So it's not because JPS come for cut off your light means you have to come out and stuff come ring.
Because me take me $5,000 give when me did for pay me JPS bill with and you. And you tell me say that give me back and I know you not carry tongue. Hey, look here.
Listen.
Village liar. Don't make me have anything out here. You hear me I tell you?
Take time talk.
Don't tell me if you take no time because when it come for me $5,000 nobody hey, give me $5,000 before me war out here.
Candy. Listen. Not because, you know, you see if them pitney never out here, nobody can rank with me, you know.
When they pitney them, when they talk about out here, never did they win time they beg me $5,000.
So
me want it back. Me want it back now if you pay me bill because sake of you. Look here boy, you think me can sleep in and eat? Mosquito that kill me, me have to kiss the JPS. Look here.
So the
look
MP
here.
man where you sleep with what have money for you from when I promise you and I promise you for last election till now him still promise you and I mean house strength for. Calm down, Miss Candy man. Calm down. Cause when I was coming to you I never come to you so loud. I know you make everybody, you know them people that's how them watch your business.
Where people them there?
The eagle of them.
Them a mind for them business, you are mind the people them business. Me want me money.
Candy. I say when you leave here, so I'll ensure when I mean my ducks from morning, you know.
Broke your ducks. Oi, you look here talk about broke ducks. When me did have the last $5,000, me warn you about it and tell us me no know how much me bill, what time them a come pay, come ask me feed for me go pay feed, and you have the take the last $5,000 from me and tell me say you give me back and you don't carry it come.
Boy,
what is the problem?
If me did know say I saw you now, I saw you stay when me borrow nothing from you.
And I first shut up your look here. Shut up your mouth and I first time you borrow money from me. But you know say me an idiot. Every time you come borrow money from me, I same thing me go through. But you me sorry feel like a hungry belly long gut boy. You better give me my money before me war out here in front of everybody. You hear me I tell you?
Drape me up, Candy, drape me up.
I want my money.
Listen.
You're going like say fi drape up, you hard fi drape up. Give me $5,000. Me have to beg the JPS man. Beg him fi no cut off my light. Can you imagine how you out here so they sell every day and I know you can't provide the money give me?
But I don't make no money. Listen, look how they pitting them there, so.
You don't look if you don't want to look. You should have shame on yourself. Borrow people money and not have it back figure them. And you out here so they sell every day. It come like a war you want me if you war out here.
Listen, Candy.
You see that baby? Hey.
I have my lawyer, you know.
I will pull off your beard out here today. And that me then make you know. If you talk too hard, me pull off your beard. Come in and know how you grow your beard them so long, you're nasty now, I go trim. Look for you. You see anyhow, you're not giving me $5,000 by tomorrow. You're not gonna like it. Hell and powder house broke out your head boy. Just yo. Sure. Go on me yard.
Candy,
What happened to she now?
come here a while ago. I come create one piece of excitement in our place.
I saw she go on, man. He ever love create excitement.
Listen,
Yes.
she come here.
Mm-hmm.
All because the man went there with the MP man up the front down the lane there. All because the man have one bag of woman. She come up here with the excitement now for come try to come take it out for me.
I saw she go on, man. He love the style.
And me and her no have nothing, you know. Nothing me and her no have.
So he just come so.
Mad, she a mad over the man. Mad, him a mad over the man. And he not even knows it's a nasty girl.
Jesus, peace.
Nah, clean her yard. Nobody call me name, you see? Just keep me name out of it.
That good, man. Don't worry yourself. Me and your friend long time. I have to call your name.
Nobody say me say.
No. No time for that.
Then hold on, this what kind of sorcery over here go along with?
I don't know sorcery, you know. Me have to wait up a place. So you will say dusty.
Then from morning out there, never say wait up, but as soon, that's why I not make no money. Eh? Because you out, I say wait up a place, I mean, that's why I not make no money.
I know maybe I cannot make no money. Me have to wait up a place because it's dusty. It's very dusty, so I have to wait it. I not wait over your side first thing. See, over your side. I wait over my side.
Don't make it touch me, you know.
What I not touch you, I wait over my side.
Where is it? But
I have to make it wet.
What's in the dark must come to the light.
And I'm making a sell, you know, go on with a mix up and you up here. Just stay there. You have to wait over here, so.
Miss Noblet, good morning.
Good morning, village lawyer.
How are you doing this morning?
I am doing okay, you know. How are you?
I'm not doing so good, you know. I'm not doing so good. I did pray and ask God for just take me away from these people down there, so you see. Just move me from out there, put me somewhere with sensible people there. You can't believe which part me I walk. It's be over there, out there, you know. Be over here.
Stop the foolishness. Both people working on you. You ask, instead you ask God to move you, you pray to God and say, God, make me sell. Make me goods them sell. How you come up with that? Do you know when people in my work will be upon you? Listen to me now. I know up there when I see it. I see the boy a sprinkle oil out there, right in front of me. He not want to do it when nobody did it. Right in front of me, I must sprinkle oil. Almost it think out there. Oh, listen, and him want next one too, you know. Him want next one. So film goods them sell. You hardly see picnic come and premise start come by. You hardly see picnic come by. But the son big on me. But then again, not trying to them involvement of things. Well, listen, I know one little situation and I don't want nobody to hear my business. I need $5,000 to borrow. When me used today, not even 5,000 they used to give me. I know you want 5,000 to borrow? Listen, just let me the 5,000, man. Because when I was with you, you know. And I used to give you all those workings and man, I will say, you don't want pension. We men want pension too. The only thing you do is stress me out when me talk. What me stress you out? See there, and that you do when me talk. Sit down and smoke like an idiot. So me not have no money for lend you. Me not have it.
So I mean, if you tell me, say, all of them workings there, all of them, what me used to do, all them fellowship what you used to give me, I mean, you tell me, say, me can't get back that little pension, and just let me the 5,000, man, you will get it back.
You should not pay me for what I suffer when you put me through. You should not come and say, Miss Nablet, say money for you, all of the suffering me put you through.
Miss Nablet, when you used to deal with me, you know, Miss Nablet, you used to name, I know, chicken mac, you used to name steak. So no bother because me left now. It's outgrow because you know what, you start do the things the way you used to do. You wear some, I know you start wear little short things like you have a little man over there.
No, I mean money do it. And you now get the 5,000 out of it.
That's not the 5,000 man, Miss Nablet. Come on,
if you don't have 5,000 you now make you where I'll get it back for give me.
I mean, me I go get it. By the end of the day, me I go get it because I'm a man of truth and I have respect and people respect me. And them so start by from me, you know. Them so start by from me is because I hope that boy I walk. I hope that I walk, make it pick them and go there. What no way, sir, man. By the end of the week, we will ensure. We will get it, man.
Me want back my money. Me I go let them, but me want it back.
Miss Nablet, man. Come on, man. Not because me and your ex and you bit against me, you know. That means say me want bad somebody. Me don't want bad somebody, man. And you realize I have guests, so that's why me don't want to turn up your doorway, you know.
That's true. Me I go feed. Carrot, onion, vinegar, pepper.
Thank you.
Remember, you say I will give you it back.
Then Miss Nablet, me ever borrow nothing from you and get bucket. If me can't get back, fully me get elsewhere.
No, me don't want it elsewhere. Me alright now. I am quite okay. Me I living nicest life.
Thank you, see?
So, one lady, one Obia, not Obia, don't get me wrong. One reader lady, they by Roaring River. Right up the road. She work early in the morning or late in the evening hours. If them walk by the school gate, you will know. She has so many dreams come true and things you wish for. She good. So you can check her out and say if nobody do nothing.
Miss Nablet, me not to believe in them Obia business, you know. I mean, I'm not that type of a man. I'm a man of me read my Bible, me rather read my Bible. I don't believe in them or something.
So how you believe say man at school get a work for you? Give me back my money then make me go and call six.
No. That not have nothing to do with the money me borrow from you. It not have nothing to do with it. Me borrow it from you, you go get it back. But me just not believe in the whole Obia business. I never grow so. I grow.
God decent prophet by her. She's a prophet. Go on up there. She's a prophetess. When you go up there, she will tell you things. She's a prophetess, man. Go on.
You know what? Next thing, Miss Nablet. The man when you have come here at night time, tell him to stop park near the post. Tell him to park up more and stop leaving the gate open. Stop leaving the gate open, man. You think me don't know?
You know, bro, tell him like a dirty style yet. Stop watch me. Go watch your pocket. Go to school gate early, go start sell your goods so you want to come and borrow money from me.
You see, thank you, you see? I don't want you ring with me. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Finish 3 weeks.
I remember go by the woman and the woman fix me up. Me have wig, me have my little website where me can go up on a night time, go make me money. Me have, see me phone here. When she had 1,000, broke me out of poverty, you think me want them place a little furniture and I am working on it. So go up by this lady, Prophetess, she work good.
Make a pinch and tell us something, you see? Yep, the little girl down in lane there. Miss Patsy daughter. You know say she and her friend go to one little place. And her friend go there and make all of them friend them do whatever with her.
Miss Patsy?
That's your Patsy. Him little daughter.
Patsy? That little girl did not do that. Stop it. The little girl got to church every Sunday. The little girl is so humble.
Listen to
and he go and good in his schoolwork.
Listen to me. I don't tell lie. He's out every day. He's out every day. Me see them with me 2 weeks, 2 years. Me see them over the play field.
That's something I'm good with one activity. She got one after evening.
Activity for true. They should very active.
But me go talk to Miss Patsy about this then. So you say you see.
Listen. Me never tell you nothing for go tell nobody, you know. Me never tell you nothing for go tell nobody. Why me tell you something you want to go tell
But
Patsy?
me make sure we are data.
Oh, you know. If Patsy asks you, oh, you know, where I will tell her.
You tell me village lie, tell me say, in data was by the place.
This is why me not tell you nothing.
No man, in that as a child, she need to know herself. We are big people, we can't make young people them life go on kill it next year she got pregnant.
Listen, my mouth now gonna put me in a problem, and you now gonna make because of your mouth they put me in a no problem.
I no problem, but she need to know.
Put it what me tell you under your foot. No make it come out from under your foot, go there. The next day you make your man go kill in Pitney.
She not do that.
Are you blood?
She love her daughter, man. But me I go talk to her about it. So when me I go talk to her, you come with me, yeah? And make we explain to her.
The only come is when you give me fellow show. I did a come go over, you see? Tell the blasted man to stop park this up. Park on your side of the fence.
The only thing no you remember me $5,000 weekend. Or you don't want me go up a road for road feet. So make sure me get me $5,000. Me don't talk to you.
No.
Papi off, because you live here. You know, see, I'm alone live by the compound. You don't know, see, if you call out the gate and if you come right in.
Navlet, good morning.
Good morning.
Village liar, me come to. I show you the tax in the year?
In the year, you're just not too long missing.
Anyway, me lend village liar me $5,000. From when? And that the $5,000 they added to pay me light bill. No. You know what happened? Me have to sleep in a dark because of village liar. Have me $5,000. Tell me say my care back won't give me and don't give me.
Really,
until today me don't get back my $5,000.
1 minute. Me not really busy about the light. Where you selling him?
Me lend him $5,000 that day me see him out the road. Me and him almost have big war out there. And he tell me say yes, him I go give him back, until now. Me no see nothing.
You know, say this morning me lend him $5,000.
What you do?
Me lend him $5,000 can say oh somebody and you want to give them money and me lend him $5,000.
Mine not give me me no because me come to. Look here. You see that the $5,000 there where village liar lend you? Nobody look back feet. You not get it back.
You're mad. You don't know sense. You have to give me my money, you know, and me and him there.
Wait, what you talking about?
You have to give me back my money. Me don't ask him, I tell her.
Then look how long me lending me $5,000, my friend. I know. Me have to the back and the beg him and I beseech and I plead for the $5,000 right now. Me in a dark. JPS cut off my light.
Can you not play with him? Me not play with him. So when I'm in time, we collect my money. If you give me weekend me I get him. Me not an argument with him. I have to give me my money.
You know, say anyway me see. Dirty village liar. A problem between me and him, you know. You know me, you know, a long time, me and your friend.
But with the problem.
What do you mean? So how me I go get me money? Me like cut off, me want me money.
You can't beat him, I say him big. Here we are.
Come.
You go up a roaring river. Up a Two-Face. Yes, when you go up a Two-Face. Any problem I have that the man they fix it.
A lie?
Yeah. Any problem I have that the man they fix it.
That's something bad?
Yeah.
And when she open, because me want me $5,000.
You can go in an early morning or late evening because she not to work with the sun at. But she bad, so you can go check her out. So where you say? You go?
Me I go, you know. Me have to go up because me need back my money.
Yes.
Because if Village Liar thinks I saw it all go with my 5,000 and the one last dege 5,000 and me have and me tell him if he pay for me like and him don't carry it back home give me, watch me and him. And he knows say enough he play with me already.
You see, true, me in an argument with him, me go follow you and me go with you.
Me go up there.
You can't go now, you know, she don't work with the sun, you're not here.
Alright.
You make me talk so loud. You have to go in at the early morning or the late evening. So you have to go just call me and we go up there. You understand? Me I follow you, come in and argue with him for my 5,000 and me just fix him and he just give back me 5 grand. But it's a good lady.
Navlet, I really want the 5,000 back, you know. But you see this mother thing when you tell me about mother two-face and before son come down. What you say son they do? He out now. So when he gone in, with me not really not doing something, you know, me never do that.
Alright, no problem, Ben. Have a good day.
No, listen, no, me want back me 5,000, but we can go in the evening, but me not like doing something, man.
So you talk like you not go do it?
Me go, because I want me light cut off and I want pay back.
So no problem, here we go this evening.
In the evening, what time? What time we are left for?
When the sun go down. Any time after the sun go down, that is the time.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man.
Where you go? Me not walk in a sun hat, you know, me only walk early morning and late evening. But you're there already. Put in your contribution and wash your hand. In a me basin pan, yes, the basin pan.
Good evening, Mother Two-Face.
Good evening.
Listen, I have a problem.
I have a problem too. You see $5,000 you drop in and take out? Come. Me work.
Jesus Christ, Mother, I never know say you're powerful. Sorry, man, I come back up in my hand. Sorry. Sorry. But anyways, when me come here...
Be quiet, man, me a read. You talk when me give you the authority. Talk, what you want?
Yes, as me I say before...
Turn your back to me and talk.
As me I say, Mother, as me I say, Zane, what me come here to you for? Me come here for... Listen.
You don't have to enter turn room.
But listen now, you have a little boy who walk side of me. Me feel like him walk up here for me and me come for you give me something for make me make little more money. You see? And next thing I have a girl where she always take me money and I tell me say in the pani minstrel. I want you to buy up it because I need some fellow show from her and I want you to buy up it for me, you see? So I don't know what you can do, what kind of... I don't see you powerful already, but I don't know what you can do. But I want you to do something for me. Mother, listen. You have two somebody when I owe them money. I want you to change your mind, Franny, you see? I don't want them to remember, say, me did owe them no money. You see? And the next thing, I want you to do something for me. So the people can come to me at the school gate and buy from me. You see?
You sell things.
Eh?
You sell things.
Yeah, me sell things.
Me say you sell things.
Yeah, so I want them to come to me. You see? And the girl what I tell about too, she, I want you to just, me long to see her. I want.
Dirty Village Liar! I just say you come spend the money all the while, make you can't give me back the money.
Hi, not in my place, not in my place. This is a place of spiritual empowerment.
Village Liar!
I know your time yet.
Hello?
You say when the sun gone down, you work on early morning.
Hi. Not in my place. This is a place of spiritual empowerment. You don't come here with the loud noise.
Not your time.
You don't come to check on the mother?
You see you work on early morning and late evening and late evening yet.
Young lady, take time to talk to me because I will make your mouth come back on you. What you do?
Sorry,
sorry. Listen. It's my auntie, it's my sister. It's come to tell her because her auntie passed out, so me come to pass on the message to her.
I could have even your girl. Me want me $5,000. Say, can you make me sleep in a dark and me can't stand it. Give me my money.
Then you no finish.
Give me my money.
Look here. You see? We make the rain start fall. Me no in the foolishness. Me no like mix up and me no like propaganda. Look here. Village liar. Check out the money give candy. Navlet.
You know my name?
Of course me know your name. Me have 3 eye. Navlet. Me have the money in my back pocket. Come, take it out of the way.
It's the one money me can't come.
Pay the people them their money.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Come here.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
All right. Listen, wait. Stop now, man.
Don't give me my money.
Listen to me. No make nobody know. So
Jesus Christ Almighty. Give me.
Here.
Thank you.
This is why
You look here, tell him thanks. Navlet, come on. Yes, I boy, I spend money all the while. You're a wicked.
You go want again. No, you're not.
Not let him nothing.
No, I don't know two man. You know we are cut me dead man them.
I saw me know say I'll be a worker.
I walk like your mama.
I walk out.
Where you do you so?
I'm a sister.
Go on home. Sister Candy, go on
Mother,
home.
you not get nothing but one from me again.
Me have to turn your mouth back at you.
Get it from me.
So we are going to do now, Navlet.
Same time, same place. So here?
All right. Something in your house I need to
Don't worry yourself, man. Emmanuel,
Quiet.
You don't worry yourself. You're going to come back for more money. You don't get here. I'm going to give you money. Come for.
Navlet, something in your house I need to take out tonight. You hear me? All right. I will call you. If you hear any knocking, don't answer. Just get one bottle of water and wet up the roof. Go on in peace. Candy, I need to talk to you after here, but I will dream you tonight.
Don't pay me no mind, you see?
Young man, you see me have to get up off of my throne. I'm going to warn you. I'm going to warn you this once, and don't make me have to warn you this twice. You see the mix up, your mouth, it will get you in a problem. You hear me? Do not go back and borrow no money. Do not go back and try to sex off the woman them in the village. I know you can see right through. And do not cause no loud bangarang in a none of them farmer place where you go again. Do not do it.
All right, mother. Listen, but you have something for your slump, and you don't want to. We can make this work, We can actually make
Look here, pull it up back. Cause don't make me have to make that thing cannot work anymore, I am a big spiritual woman. Come go home. Come go home before me call up the lightning.
if you're watching me, it simply means that you guys have watched us to the end. We definitely are putting out great content for you guys, different storyline from time to time. And again, we are ensuring that we try to push the movies to an hour. Because we know when we complain and say, boy, when I watch a movie, them and them are done too quick. So we are ensuring that we bring them to an hour. So we try to do this with this new movie that we do. It's not really so much of a new movie, but it's a part 2 from what we did before. We did Village Lawyer while we were in Negril, but now we are the Village Liar. Village Liar or Village Liar? Village Liar. Village Liar 2. So what we tried to do with this one, we didn't pick up from where we left off in part 1. We just give a different spin, a different take on it. It's a brand new location. We just do everything different with the same type of concept. And we laugh, we enjoy it while we are filming. So we hope you guys enjoying it while on watch it. In the new location, as I said in the first part of the video, we still are trying to get things as how we want them. We still need a couch and we still need a table. We make a deposit on the couch already, but we need to finish pay for it. So that within itself, we can have the house looking like a house in terms of to get certain type of movie out of the way. Also, we're still in the process of trying to get more equipment where we can shoot for a bigger platform. You know what I mean? Because the cameras that we have now, it give nice quality, but it's perfect for YouTube. But if we want to step to the next level, we're going to need better equipment. So right now we are looking for the right type of investment for go across for the big screen. We are looking for at least 15,000 US, maximum probably 30,000. But whatever help we get, we take it because every dollar counts. So if there are persons out there that really want to help and like what we do, and you can't afford to help, link me up, man, and let me know how you can help. We make the thing grow and make Jamaica big. Because that's the thing. We can get big and we can go places, but we need help. And it makes no sense we all act like we're rich and we have it. We don't have it. We are some humble, poor youths in Western Jamaica who are trying to make a difference in Jamaica. And so far, it has been working. On Richard Brown Films, 141,000 subscribers, and Paradise Nation, 30,000, and Jamaiwood, 61, I think, or 62,000. So every channel that we are affiliated with, they are growing, and it simply means that you guys love what we are doing. I want to appreciate. That's why I want to continue to subscribe. I want to continue to tell people about the channel. So big up on yourself. I hope you guys enjoy. And remember, follow me on Instagram, or if you don't have Instagram, on Facebook, Richard Brown Films, same way. Or you can email me at Gmail, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. Big up on yourself, and see you in the next video. Boom.